Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to convert a list of elements into a string objects in Python. So let's start the tutorial. So the command is py convert list.string.py, my file name.py, click enter. Notice here I got the original list. This is the original list. And the type of the list is list1. List type of this version list is list. After converting list to string, see, this is a list of elements I have converted into string objects and the type is string.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python tutorials, and here it is added to the VS Explorer, our folder. Now, let me expand this folder. Now, in this folder, I will create one new Python file called convert list to string.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now, my aim is how to convert a list to string in Python. This is one of the most frequent asked interview question. How to convert a list objects to a string elements. First, let's define one list element. Here I am adding 1, 3, 88. I am adding some string also 0, 90, 0, James, 100. That's it. Just for the demo purpose, I have added few variables, items in this list one. Now my aim is, first let's print the original list. The original list is list 1. Now after that, I want to check the type of this list 1 is type list 1. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the output. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. The command is py. The command is py convert list to string.py, enter. And notice here I got the original list this is the original list, and the type of this list is the list type. Now convert this list type into a string data type. So first let's close this one. Now print, I am adding one line here. Then convert, I am defining one variable, convert string is equals to string contains a join method is there. Inside this join method, I'm mapping with string type with list 1. That's it. This is the most important step. I'm adding the joining, using the joining method with map method. The string type list 1. That's it. Print. After converting list to string is equals to convert string object. Then print, I want to check the convert string type of this variable. That's it. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal. Here we got the terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application. I want to convert this list of elements into a string objects. So the command is py convert list.string.py, my file name.py, click enter. Notice here I got the original list. This is the original list, and the type of the list is list 1. List type of this version list is list. After converting list to string, see, this is a list of elements I have converted into string objects and the type is string. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to convert a list to a string elements in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.